You are stepping into a magical reality that you have manifested for yourself. Congratulations. The next 9 years, butterflies, is going to be a time of transformation. Seeing all your manifestations come into reality. There will be a moment during this time where you take a step back and think about the journey, how you nearly gave up, but you didn't, because you kept that faith. And because you kept that faith, Spirit, God, or whoever you believe in is going to reward you. Those goals that you have written down will come into fruition. And Spirit is urging you to create some new plans if you haven't done so already. Write things in the present tense and act as if you have these things that you want already. Take daily steps to achieve your goal and be so delusional and believe that you can have that dream life that you are so deserving of. Because I'm telling you, it is going to be your reality. You're stepping into a cycle of abundance, happiness, creativity, self-expression, good health, feeling rejuvenated, high vibrational, going out with friends to concerts, restaurants, coffee dates, dating for the first time in a long time. For some of you, you may have a child, or you could extend your family and have more children. This could be a birth of a new idea, project, something that you always wanted to do. You'll do it. Some people may not be happy, but that's not your portion. You're breaking down an old foundation of what no longer serves you. And this could include some people too being swept away, not allowed to join you in this new prosperous cycle that you are going to enter. This is your good karma season, your good karma cycle. You are stepping into your true, unorthodox, eccentric self, unapologetically. No more are you holding back from who you truly are. I'm hearing Mary J. Blige's song, Take Me As I Am. All those blockages that were in your way served its purpose because it allowed you to dig deep and connect to the true power that resides within you. So those individuals who tried to block you and thought that they were succeeding were actually doing you a favor, because their blockages propelled you into your healing, into your self-love. And by you pouring love into yourself, helped you to connect to your power, your confidence, to go after your goals, to go after what you are so deserving of that was denied from you. You are going to restructure your mind. You are going to face your healing and not put your healing at the back burner, because each and every time that you heal, it will allow you to move closer to your goals. And I'm talking about goals of major achievement. You will see your money grow. You will start valuing yourself, believing in yourself, investing in yourself, connecting with individuals who are of the same vibrational frequency in regards to love, in regards to your career. A boss, a manager will want to take a chance on you. You will get that role. You will get that job. Those vacancies that you were looking at on the internet has your name written all over one of those jobs. You are an asset to any company that you work for. Some of you will be running a company because higher ups will see your value. Higher ups will want to invest in you. You're stepping into a season whereby you are going to be earning more money than you have ever done, maybe in your lifetime. Some of you are going to take that risk and that chance on yourself and start investing maybe in properties, in a business, in your own business, and you will start to see money flourish. You are going to be an unstoppable force. Nothing or no one is going to stop you this time round. They may have gotten away with it in the past, but it stops. The 9-year cycle is over. You're in a new 9-year cycle right now. And things have changed. You've changed. Some of you are going to connect to a King of Pentacles type energy, whereby they will want to have something serious and stable with you. So I'm picking up you're stepping out of that energy of connecting with F-boys and F-girls. You're not on that vibration anymore. You have done too much work to accept less than what you deserve. You are only going to bring in nothing but the best in all areas of your life. You're not settling anymore. And because you're not settling, the universe is going to respond. You are going to get that love that you desire. You're going to see your bank balance change. All the hard work and years upon years of effortless training for a degree, for a role, whatever the case is, it's going to pay off. It may seem hard now, but you are going to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Some of you may gain a windfall, and over the years, you will see your money grow for others of you. Some of you are going to have to take a second glance at your bank balance because of the money that you will earn. And some people from the past are going to try and get in when they hear of your success and your victory. And Spirit is saying they don't belong in your future. They know what they did as to why they deserve to stay in your past. And you will share your abundance. Some of you may open up a charity. Some of you will give to the less fortunate. You will share your knowledge, share your wealth for some of you as a way of giving back. Because you winning is not just about your self-gratification. You winning is going to benefit a lot of different people, whether that's through your services, your teachings, some of you are teachers, your wealth. It's going to inspire and uplift many people. The fears that you had to work through were not easy, but they were necessary. You decided to take a chance on yourself, and there were two paths for you to take, and you chose the path that was fearful and scary for you, but you knew that if you took another path, it would lead you back to the same stuck and stagnant cycle with the same stuck and stagnant people. And some of you removed yourself and you walked alone and you never look back. And yes, it may have been lonely, but guess what? It gets lonely at the top. You're moving out of an energy of the Eight of Swords, feeling trapped and restricted, wanting others to save you. Well, the only person that can save you is yourself. And you're going to come to that realization. And that's going to be your breakthrough. And your breakthrough also is to know that it's not only you that's on this path, because Spirit has got your back 100%. What's that saying, guys? When the student's ready, the teacher will appear. You may have felt during some trying times like, why me? Like, why is this happening to me? And where's the help? And you may have went in all the wrong places. In some cases, to some people that were benefiting off your suffering and enjoying that you were in a stuck energy, knowingly that they could actually help you, but choosing to sit and watch. Literally, I'm envisioning someone eating their popcorn and just with a blank face, staring at you, suffering, knowing that they could have helped and they chose not to because they didn't want to, or they felt fearful of your power. They may have felt like you will override them somehow because they were feeling stagnant and stuck. They didn't have a clue as to how they were going to get out of their stuckness. And the thought of you trying to find a way out scared them. So they sat and watched you suffer, not knowing that Spirit had your back. And these individuals will be consumed with guilt. Some may try and come back in and befriend you. Hi, how are you? What you been up to? Knowingly, for some of you, what you actually have been up to, because they were part of your pain, and for others of you, because they've been spying on you on social media. The Spirit is urging you to be quite mindful of what you post. Don't post every single detail of your life, because you do have people watching you, anticipating your next move. And for some, waiting for you to fail. So keep certain things private, is what Spirit is trying to say. Remain humble, because you're going towards a very abundant cycle. And you may even have to pinch yourself to see if it's really happening for you. And it will be happening for you. Your life is going to look so different. And Spirit wants you to stay connected to your morals. Stay connected to God or whoever you believe in. And thank the universe. Thank whoever you believe in for what you are about to receive. And again, some people may want to come back around and offer their pentacle when they see you winning, wanting to be a part of the bandwagon, wanting to join your bandwagon. Oh, remember me? I've done a video like that. You may want to go and check it out. Too late. These individuals were part of the problem. They were investing in your stagnancy. They were trying to make you codependent so that you do not evolve. We touch upon this a lot on this channel. These people need to go. Their time is done. But they will be clinging on desperately, still trying to lure you back in, still trying to control you with finances, with money, with care, with love, not knowing that you are going to make your own money, not knowing that you can give yourself love, not knowing that you are going to find true love, an authentic love, not a conditional love, not a controlling love, not a transactional love, pure, honest, soulful, high vibrational love is what you are going to receive, is what you are going to gain. It's your birthright. It's not your birthright to be trapped and bounded to individuals that want to keep you stuck because they are controlling and they lack control of their own life. Could be free individuals who are in this energy towards you. And by you working on yourself and by you stepping into your power and realizing who you are, you will awaken to the fact that these individuals were a hindrance. They were irritants. And they need to go. You are a leader. You are not a follower. You will awaken to the fact that you are being held back, regardless if these people are people that you knew for a long time. You will be confident within yourself to tell them to stop or to simply remove yourself. Your boundaries will send a clear and loud signal as to what is not following you into this next 9 years of your life. You put up with a lot, and Spirit said it's time to stop. You're going forth towards your desires as long as it's not hurting you or anyone else. And by you releasing these burdens, these people, you would have unblocked all the blessings that were being trapped and hidden from you. A new awakening is beginning. You're going towards that love that you always felt was at your reach, but you just couldn't grasp it because of your conditionings within the mind and what was around you. People, situations. You're going through a massive glow up. Some of you may change your image, lose weight, drop weight, put on weight. Definitely dropping weight in regards to dropping the dead wood with people that were trying to lower you down to their level. You're not looking back. Your confidence is going to be intimidating. People may feel like, why are they acting this way? They think they're brand new. No, it's not. You're stepping into a new energy filled with so much fire, self-belief, powerful, unstoppable. This is your time. And nothing or no one is going to stop you. You've earned it. You deserve it. Congratulations in advance. You are the people of the signs Leo, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer, Virgo, Aquarius, Libra, Aries, Aquarius, Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node or Lilith could be of importance to you. Regardless of the fact, you are going towards your blessings. You dreamed it. And now it's time to live it.